Alright, I'm back. This is what I've been doing. I haven't got my mail for a long time, and I actually got letters from some people in the mail. Daniel Keller, New Philadelphia High, got your topographical maps. I will get a response to you just as soon as I can, and I definitely will, man. I'll send you stuff back. Tamala Carter, I opened your letter finally was able to go get it. I've been out digging in the woods. That's what I've been doing. Haven't even got my mail for well over 30 days, but very generous. You'll hear from a reply from me. Also got something from William G. Green, Brandywine Forge, Royers Ford, Pennsylvania. I will respond and get you something. Jim Moffett, I read your letter. Thank you for the support. I will get back to you just as soon as I can. This is just some examples. The only things in here you saw in both of these plates were this knife handle, a few of the slugs right here on the side, and this knife. All these other shotgun shells, most of them I haven't even cleaned, and these are from the last 48 hours. Every one of them are old paper ones. There's lots of musket balls in here too, real nice dropped ones. Look at that one. There's probably 50 musket balls in here too. This is from 2 days, pretty much. This is just stuff I haven't shown. I have several other, like in a whole week, I've just got a collection of hundreds of different of these. I will say that's what I've been doing. That's why I haven't Arrowhead hunting too. I will get reply to you guys as soon as possible via the mail, and I know some of you send email addresses too. I will get in contact with you just when I get a chance. I got a ton of stuff to do today too. But thank you so much, and I'll try to get these cleaned up and make some displays. I'm going to make some real nice hunting displays. I have enough. You know, of course, I'm going to make myself one for my house. I'm going to take some of them, but you know, you see me find multiple Peter shells and all these real cool, these star design ones and these old new clubs. I think these things are cool, and I'm going to clean them up nice and insert them into like walnut or something and do some hand chiseling or carving around the edge and put where they're from, the hilltops, and really make a nice display. And I'll probably give one away on my channel. I'm gonna go look at wood here pretty soon in the next couple days, get some wood and start mounting these up and polishing them. It's gonna take some time, but if you're into vintage hunting stuff, be watching on my channel. You must be a subscriber, and I'm gonna give it away with a contest this time, just not other stuff. So be on the lookout for that. And everybody that sent me stuff in the mail this time, sorry it's taken me so long to acknowledge this. I've just been that busy. I'm out every day. Sometimes I'm out looking in the woods for 8 hours. So anyway, I'll get back. I'll probably go digging arrowheads tomorrow and sifting, so I don't know if I'll multi-detect. I'm pretty beat up. My feet have blisters on them and I'm feeling rough, but I can always feel good enough to look for some arrowheads, and that's where we're going. To the place where I found the broken sandstone gorget, the pentagonal, and the point that's black with the red tip right at the top. So have potential to find something real good. So later. Thanks for the support, guys. Jim, William, Tamala, Daniel Keller, I really appreciate it. I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Later.